Mas dumami ang bilang ng mga immigrants sa Canada na may same-sex partners, ayon sa survey ng Statistics Canada. Kwento po ng isang kababayan, mas ramdam daw kasing tanggap at kinikilala ang mga karapatan ng LGBTQ+ community sa bansa. May report si Paula Saraza.
Here in Canada, I really felt at ease, very welcomed. We even purchased our home a year ago. Yeah, it's a dream come true for me. I'm living my dream.
2021 ang ipetisyon ng kababayang si Ray Barcos ng kanyang same-sex Canadian partner para maging permanent resident sa Canada. Inabot man ng 1 taon ng proseso, malaki pa rin ang pasasalamat niya sa mga nagbukas na oportunidad ng manirahan sa bansa, kabilang ang kasalukuyang trabaho bilang flight attendant.
Just this year, I received my golden call, and it was really very emotional moment for me because I even studied French for a year because it's mandatory if you want to work as a flight attendant, you need to also learn how to speak French.
Sa pinakahuling datos ng Statistics Canada, mula 700 noong nakalipas na 2 dekada, lumobo sa mahigit 20,000 ang bilang ng mga immigrants na may same-sex relationship.
I think it's not really a secret that Canada is very open and well-versed in protecting the rights of the LGBTQ plus community. I didn't even have to explain myself, like, my sexuality and all of that, and the dynamics of my relationship with my partner. So we were just accepted as if like we were a regular straight couple per se.
Ayon pa sa datos, mas marami sa mga same-sex partners na immigrants ang may trabaho at kumikita ng mas malaki kumpara sa mga opposite-sex couples. Pero problema pa rin para sa ilan ang affordability crisis. Sa tala ng charitable organization na Rainbow Railroad, umabot sa mahigit 15,000 ang request na natanggap nila mula sa mga miyembro ng LGBTQ+ community na nangangailangan ng suporta para sa housing.
It's interesting because people are fleeing home and sometimes they experience homelessness when they flee to places like Canada because it is so costly.
2005 nang gawing legal ng Ottawa ang gay marriage. Pero sa kabila ng pagtanggap ng bansa sa mga immigrants mula sa LGBTQ+ community, nahaharap pa rin sila sa mga panghuhusga mula sa sariling komunidad.
We can see a little bit of homophobia present in many communities. So for them, the only way to survive is to try to integrate into mainstream community. And I think integrating in mainstream community is also opportunity itself because many doors will be open for you, especially if you're ready to knock.
Hindi man perpektong bansa ang Canada para sa mga gay couple, naniniwala pa rin si Barcos na di hamak na mas ligtas at mas tanggap ang komunidad dito.
I have a couple of friends who moved here as gay couple and they moved here together. And, I also received the same kind of feedback from them. Like Canada is very open to same-sex couples, and they don't really need to struggle that much in terms of, let's say, purchasing a new house or buying properties together, or like owning a car is like putting both of the names. They don't need to explain.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.